Deep within the hyper-specialized construction systems of the aquatic world, the Caddisfly larva operates as a biological 3D printer. It is a masterpiece of architectural engineering, designed to manufacture a custom suit of mobile armor, using silk and salvaged environmental debris. Larva has a specialized silk extrusion nozzle, located near its mouth. This hardware produces a high-tensile, waterproof adhesive that can set instantly even when submerged in flowing water. It is a biological version of a hot glue gun optimized for fluid environments. This engineering solution allows the larva to weld together a protective chassis. Depending on the species, it may use sand grains, snail shells, or small twigs to build its home. It is a biological additive manufacturing process that turns raw environmental data into a structural shield. The chassis also features a specialized ventilation system. By undulating its body inside the tube, the larva creates a steady water flow current. This ensures a constant supply of oxygenated coolant to its gills, allowing the machine to operate at peak efficiency inside its armor. Diagram of water circulation through a caddisfly larva's protective case. Psychological facts show that humans are inspired by this instinctive craftsmanship. Without a blueprint or a teacher, the larva builds a structure that is perfectly balanced for its specific habitat. This reminds us that internal programming can produce complex and beautiful results. Humans must treat and care for the freshwater circuits, the streams and rivers where these tiny architects work. Water pollution acts like material contamination, preventing the silk from bonding correctly. Stewardship of our waterways is vital for the survival of these micro-builders. The history of architecture has often looked to the caddisfly for modular design inspiration. Some artists even provide the larvae with gold leaf and pearls, resulting in biological jewelry. It proves that nature's hardware is capable of transforming any material into a high-end build. Nature facts reveal that the case is also a ballast system. Larvae living in fast-moving rapids choose heavier stones to prevent their chassis from being swept away. It is a biological version of a weighted anchor, ensuring the machine remains stable in high-velocity current zones. Caring for the caddisfly is a form of local ecosystem health monitoring. Because they are highly sensitive to system toxins, their presence indicates a high-quality water supply. They are the primary biological sensors used by environmental engineers to track the health of rivers. The machine facts of their silk show it is a protein-based polymer. Scientists are studying the chemistry of this adhesive to develop new medical glues that can repair human tissue in wet conditions. It is a biological version of a surgical sealant built for extreme durability. Engineering comparisons often liken the larva to a mobile construction robot. Its ability to select, orient, and bond random materials into a functional structure is the gold standard for autonomous building. They are the primary consultant for the next generation of 3D printing drones. Every build is a lesson in resourcefulness. The larva proves that you don't need a factory to create something strong. You just need a good adhesive and the ability to use what is around you. It is a reminder that the best solutions are often built from the fragments of our environment. Every stream bed is a laboratory of structural physics. By respecting the quiet work of these six-legged masons, we recognize the labor involved in underwater assembly. It is a partnership between the silk, the stones, and the water that turns a larva into a mobile fortress. Let the caddisfly remind you of the value of protection. Sometimes, to grow into your final flight-ready form, you need to build a solid case around yourself to weather the current. Mastery of life is about knowing how to weave your own safety while staying connected to the flow. Take care of the weaving hardware of our freshwater streams. As we look toward the biomanufacturing goals of 2026, the caddisfly remains our most resilient consultant for underwater construction. Respect the river and protect the stones, so the master of the silk weld may thrive.